How to allow install unknown apps on Android 15. Open the app drawer on your device. Tap the settings app. Now tap on apps. Scroll down at the end. Here you can find the special app access. Tap on it. Now here you can find the install unknown app application. This feature is helpful if you want to install any APK file or any third party file on your device. When you install any third party file, you need to allow this permission to install it on your Android 15 and any other Android device. So make sure toggle on the option or allow the all permission to install any APK file or a third party apps on your stock Android 15. Now tap the install unknown apps on your device. Here you can see default available option. By default toggle off Chrome browser, Google Drive, Files by Google, Gmail, WhatsApp. So you can find the list of all applications. When you install any application related to Google Chrome, you need to allow this source when you install on your device. So quite helpful feature if you want to install any APK file on your Android 15 or third party file or apps. That's it. Please like it, share it.